Okay, Super Son, how are you?
Right.
Do you remember anything from the first lesson?
White blood cells, red blood cells,
Oh, very good. Very good. I
nerve
wasn't
cells.
expecting that. Let me give you a very quick reminder of some of the things that we looked at. Um,
I do know nerve cells.
you remember nerve cells, do you? Okay.
Yeah.
What do nerve cells look like?
Oh, so they look like a spring in your, which is attached to your body, but when you cut it, you can choose a blood cell.
Look like this. Do you remember? They looked a bit like that. And what did the red blood cells look like? Do you remember? Do you remember
Hmm?
what the red blood cells look like?
I think they look like this.
Like donuts, right?
Ah,
Yeah,
that's what they look like.
that's
A
right.
donut, but
Now
it doesn't have a circle.
we looked at a general cell. Can you remember what this is in the middle?
A cell, just a cell.
That is a cell,
Mitochondria,
superstar. No, that's the nucleus.
nuclear cell.
Nucleus. This was the mitochondria, remember? And can you remember anything else that you find in a cell?
Red blood cell.
No, this is things you find in a cell. So, like things that are part of a cell. Can you remember?
Nerve cells.
No, they. No. Tiger, right? Name me something that's in the house.
Me.
Right. You're not a house, though, are you?
Oh.
You are in the house. So what we're after is things that are in the cell. We're not after other types of cell, like red blood cell, nervous, and so on. What else is in the cell? Do you know? Begins with R, R-I, R-I-B,
Rib cells.
ribo,
Ribocombustion.
ribosomes. Do you remember ribosomes?
No.
Okay, well, there's ribosomes, mitochondria, there's a nucleus. And do you know what this part of the cell is called? It's called a cell membrane. All right?
Cell membrane. Nucleus. Ribosomes. Mitochondria.
Very good. Good lad. Okay, so um, let's see if you can name them now. What was the top one?
Uh, Cell membrane.
And then,
Nucleus.
and then,
Ribosomes.
and then.
Mitochondria.
Excellent. Very good. Now you need to know what these things
Mitochondria is
do.
easy to
Do you
remember.
remember what mitochondria do?
Make energy.
Very good. Ribosomes make protein. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you remember that?
Yeah, I think so.
Nucleus controls the cell. Cell membrane just acts as a border around the outside. Okay.
All right.
So once more, let's just see how you get on with this. What's the top label?
Cell membrane.
Excellent. What's the next label?
Nerve cell. Nucleus.
What does nucleus do?
Nucleus does control it.
Yeah, it tells it what to do. Very good. What's next?
Ribosomes.
Excellent. And what's next?
Mitochondria makes energy.
Superb.
Easy to remember.
Mitochondrial energy and protein is ribosome. So really good. So that's sort of what we looked at last time. And we also looked at something called stem cells. Do you remember?
Yeah. So like the the thing which is at your body.
Well, you're thinking inside your womb, inside your mummy, yeah?
Yeah.
So what you remember, I think, is perhaps that you've got a baby that's developing inside your mummy's tummy. And if you can take stem cells from, say, there, then they can grow into any type of cell, can't they? Right? Now, I'm going to introduce you to two words today, and they're very difficult words, but you are an incredibly clever boy, so you won't have any trouble at all. This first word. Now, that is hard to say, isn't it? Have a go.
Eukaryote.
Okay. You say it like this. Um,
You carry out.
Go on. How
Oh
do you say it?
no. What?
Say those three words.
You can you carry out.
No, that's not out, is it? It's ot.
Oh,
Yeah, so you say that. Eukaryote. Okay. Can you say that? Can you say it?
you carry out.
Eukaryote. That's right. So that's one type. This is the other type. And this is pro.
Oh, carry
And it's
carry.
actually it's prokaryote. 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 How do they say? Prokaryote. Pro,
Prokaryote.
yeah, prokaryote sort of thing. Yes, prokaryote. All right, can you say that?
Prokaryote.
Okay, so let's do the eukaryote prokaryote song. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sing prokaryote,
Prokaryote.
eukaryote,
Eukaryote.
mekaryote,
Eukaryote.
themkaryote.
Eukaryote.
This is so silly. Right, you've got to remember eukaryote and prokaryote. Can you say those two?
Eukaryote. Prokaryote.
And they are the two types of cells, all right?
All
You
right.
got me?
Yeah.
Now, you've already learned about one type, and the type that you've learnt about already is this one. What's this one?
Eukaryote.
Eukaryote. And that's the one that's like the fried egg that we've drawn.
Oh
And
no, not the baked egg.
the fried egg one, yeah, that's the one you've drawn. That's the one you've learned. Now, today we're going to learn about another type of cell. Now, this is a little bit scary, all right?
Right.
Because there are things that are living things that are very, very small and are only like a cell big, really. And they are things like bacteria, and they make you ill. Sometimes there's some healthy ones as well, but they're only like a cell big. The whole creature is only one cell. So it's really easy for them to get into your body. And if you don't wash your hands and things like that, and then you eat, these bacteria can get into your body and can make you ill. But there are also good bacteria, like I say. Anyway, all of these cells are called prokaryotes, and they're different. I'm going to show you the differences now.
Yeah.
You ready?